Hello my dear students, very good morning, and today I am going to teach you paragraph writing. First of all, you have to know what is paragraph. I have written the definition over here. A paragraph is a combination of sentences on a single topic. Combination means few varieties of sentences, and single topic means suppose you are writing about your best friends, write only about your best friends. But some students, when they write about their best friends and they write about the friend's father, friend's mother, friend's sister, no, only friends means only friends. That's why it is called single topic. Next one, how to write a good paragraph. There are certain things which must be kept in mind while writing a paragraph. Before writing a paragraph, you have to say few items that what you are going to write, and that points I have written over here. Number one, there should be one main idea through the paragraph. Means, suppose you are writing about your friend, you have to write about your friend only. No other things like friends father, friends mother, friends teachers, no. Only about the friends. Next is, think about the points which you wish to write. Don't be hurry when you sit or set your mind that I have to write a paragraph. Then first, before writing, you have to think that what you want to write, and then start writing. But don't just say, yes, I will write this, that. Don't do hurry. So take time, think very nicely, and then you start your writing. Next, I will show you 3 numbers. Next point is, put these points in a regular order. Means when you are writing about your friend, about your school, about your teacher, whatever you may write, but you have to write systematically order. And the next one is, sentences should be short and varied in length. It means don't write very big sentence, write a marginal sentences, and that should be clear. Every sentence should be clear and complete. When you are writing, all the sentences should be clear conceptions, and that sentence should be completed. You have to clear this one. Next one, revise what you have written and correct all the mistakes. When we write anything, whether you write paragraph, letter, essay, whatever we write, writing time we do mistakes. Everyone does. So when you finish your writing, just check it what you have written, and then if you find any mistakes, correct the mistakes. Next one, don't write any number. Some students, what they do, when they write the paragraph, they write number 1, number 2, number 3. Not like this. This is paragraph, don't write any number, write continuously. Next one, be legible. Legible means readable, and neat means your copy should be neat. Readable means that you write in such a way that we can read, you can read, your parents can read, your friends can read, everyone can read. It is very clear, but some students they write in such a way that it is unable to read. So writing time, be careful, write it slowly but clearly. And this is all the points you have to keep in mind. And apart from this one, that when you will write any paragraph, then you will feel that it is very difficult, but you have to start. Suppose today if you start writing any topic, you write about your school, about your parents, about your teacher, about your friends, you can write about yourself. So write anything and write. Suppose today if you feel that today I don't have any idea how to write, thinking are not coming, points are not coming, so you write few sentences. Start with a few sentences. Next day again you start writing. Again you will see that some few more sentences automatically is coming. So in this way, if you do practice every day, then you will see that your writing skill is improving, and one day you will write a very good paragraph. But for this one, you have to do practice every day. This is important. But there is no any other rules, and this is actually you have to do practice. And due to practice, you will see that your writing skill is improving, and every thought is coming, ideas is coming, everything is coming automatically, and you will be a very good writer. Today, that's all.